Back to the charts, Big Boss Crypto, and today we got exciting and huge news regarding Chainlink as CCIP has officially been released as of today. We'll cover the recent news about CCIP and basically what's been happening as of recently, and then we'll also take a look at how CCIP will work with Chainlink's infrastructure, with every other coin basically, and how it will revolutionize crypto as of overall. And also take a look at some interesting theories and about how Chainlink CCIP bridge will revolutionize crypto and the world. So without further ado, let's look at the charts. Alright, so as you can see on screen right here, Chainlink CCIP is officially now available to all developers on 5 different testnets in Arbitrum, Avalanche, Ethereum, Optimism, and Polygon. And if you scroll further down, devs can now use CCIP to create and test advanced cross-chain apps such as token transfers with programmable commands, cross-chain DeFi protocols, blockchain games that span multiple chains. And if we look further into this article right here, Chainlink co-founder wants to bring trillions of dollars into crypto from banks. Exciting headline. We can see here the brief take is that Chainlink's co-founder Sergey Nazarov has a bold vision that banks will build their own blockchains and may adopt its newly launched CCIP protocol to connect them, and that he anticipates this could bring a lot of value into the crypto space. So this is truly huge. I mean, if you scroll further down, you have this public blockchain and contracts primarily defined by DeFi, and you have this bank chain world, which I think will primarily be defined by real world asset tokens, etc., etc. And when that happens, beyond the efficiencies and gains for each of these groups, we will see blockchain industry as a whole, I think, grow very rapidly by trillions of dollars. So this is truly huge and exciting times. And the Chainlink team has worked very hard to make this happen and finally officially release CCIP by basically testing their network in order to make sure it's tamper proof and safe to use, as we're talking about a lot of money, trillions of dollars being used. So nothing has to go wrong, and it has to be basically a bulletproof system. And if you look right here about how the Chainlink CCIP protocol will be built, as you see right here on the bottom layer, we got different factors. We got global banks, asset managers, depositories, clearing and settlement depositories, and CBDCs being processed through the CCIP protocol. It all different kinds of blockchains, as you see right here: DeFi contracts, real world assets, new hybrid smart contracts, Web3 contracts, Web2 applications, and as you can see right here, which is a very interesting part, cross chain smart contracts with, as we see right here, Avalanche. The Avalanche logo is right there, together with Ethereum, Arbitrum, Optimism, and a couple more. And we talk very much about the Avalanche on this channel being very compatible with Chainlink and has the potential to tokenize all kinds of assets in the world. So definitely be on the lookout for both Avalanche and Chainlink, as we believe that these assets will be revolutionizing in the upcoming years. But this is not financial advice, it's for educational and entertainment purposes only. As you see right here, then they then process through decentralized Oracle networks, aka DONs, and then through different market data Oracle networks, proof of reserve Oracle networks. I mean, we have different kinds of Oracle networks right here that will be processed through Chainlink's developer platform / meta layers. So they really worked hard these last recent years and basically created a system to make sure it's tamper proof and truly works and can scale for basically global mass adoption. And now let's speculate with some interesting theories brewing up on the internet since CCP has been released, by analyzing what the Chainlink team has put out and what Sergey has recently said on his recent press conferences. And this chart right here is very exciting, remaking the global financial system into an on-chain financial system. As we can see right here, we have private blockchain networks, which we might not be sure of what they exactly are using, and the public chain value, which are all kinds of different layer 1 blockchains that we see, like Ethereum, Bitcoin, Hedera Hashgraphs Network, Avalanche, and many more. And with the Chainlink CCIP, basically bridging the gap between the real world and the blockchain world, will basically tap into both these areas, and basically they will have a huge head start ahead of the rest of the crypto market with CCIP and basically helping process trillions of dollars for both aspects. So this is truly huge, and this is an important graph to real study and take uh, and really analyze. And right here, we got an interesting forum post right here, basically with some anonymous guy basically saying how Chainlink CCIP differs from other bridges. As we see right here, next level security, same security as the Chainlink network as a whole, just like Chainlink is not one model of price feeds, but a framework for modular data networks. CCIP is not an actual bridge, but an underlying standard on which any bridge can be tailor built with high modularity for precise purposes. And consider the Chainlink market cap as the leading oracle and the implications of quadratic staking. Chainlink is the only network that could secure trillions of dollars, which is huge. And composability with all other advanced features of the Chainlink network. It's not simply swap movements, but additional modular commands, monitoring activity, and triggering undefined thresholds like yield rates, and can be combined with randomness/privacy of chain computation. Bonus due to being already integrated by all the DeFi dApps and on all the blockchains, the sole plug and play and business relationships are already established. Winner takes all. Thanks for playing. Exciting. And like the previous post, it's not just a bridge for token transfers, it's a cross-system messaging standard. It's future-proof, built to offer far more functionalities than simple token transfers, while also being far more secure than another current bridge architecture. The end game has always been the abstract layer of interoperability with legacy enterprise backends and banking standards. And if you scroll further down, which is why the likes of Swift and DTCC are collaborating with Chainlink, or why all the top DeFi protocols are already using them. CCIP has been over 5 years in the making, tailored designed from the ground up for the high level modularity and security needs of banking institutions like Swift, not for basically meme coin casino gamblers. It's not called Chainlink by accident. So these are truly exciting times you're heading into, and I can't wait to see the future growth of Chainlink in the upcoming years. That's all for me. Thank you so much for your time. Leave a like, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, or leave a dislike if you didn't. Please note that this is not financial or investment advice, it's only for educational and entertainment purposes only. This is Big Boss Crypto, the realest of the real crypto YouTubers. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Big Boss out.